Welcome to CVR's Minute to Win It. In this video, we'll be introducing our one-click smart scanning. This functionality provides a quick and effortless ability to get your images to the state. We start on our title and reg transaction page after completing a deal. Now we'll add our supporting documentation. We'll start the scan by clicking on the View Image dialog. We've put the paper doc set for this transaction into the sheet feeder of our scanner. Now we'll click the Scan button to scan our images. The scanner is rapidly scanning all the docs in the set at about 20 to 25 pages a minute. Now the paper doc set is attached to the transaction. Since we are confident the doc set is complete and accurate, we'll now click the button to mark the deal ready for QA. The cracked CVR audit team will now review the doc set and forward the images to the state. And that concludes this episode of CVR's Minute to Win It.